Hey, what's up LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. I just want to say big thank you to every single one of you guys for subscribing, for showing so much love, for all your positive comments. Man, I'm speechless. Thank you very much. You guys are a bunch of rock stars. So in this video, it's going to be completely different, something new. We haven't done it before, but why not? So let's go take a closer look. Alright, we got a new project. It's a police car. So we're gonna paint the whole car black except the doors and the roof. But yeah, fully police car. So the back's gonna be black as well. It's gonna be a fun project. Let's take a closer look inside. So yeah, they got their computers, scanners, shotgun supposed to go over there. They got their camera. And let's go take a look in the back. The back doesn't look too comfortable. They got metal seats, seat belts, and cages. So yeah, good luck escaping this one. No door handles, no nothing. So once you're inside, good luck. So I'm gonna start by removing the rear bumper, tail lights, tailgate, door handle. Alright, police car is all prepped and ready for paint. We'll start painting it tomorrow. It's gonna look nice once we're done with it. Alright, so the hood and both bumpers, front and rear, got painted good old black. So we'll paint the car next. Alright, police car is all taped up and ready to go for paint. We'll spray it real quick and it should be ready in about 1, 2, boom! Police car is all finished. Came out nice and clean. we'll start putting the car back together tomorrow. All right, police car is all finished. Got sprayed, time to put her back together. And then after this, it's gonna go to police department. They're gonna put the logos and the numbers and all that good stuff. Once again, Jose killed it. Chingon. Finished with the police car. Gonna give it a quick wash and ready for delivery. All right, guys, we're finished with this project. I just want to say a big thank you to the police department for trusting us to work on their car. And big thank you guys for keeping our city safe. You guys do an amazing job. And then I want to say a big thank you to you guys for watching this video. Please comment below if you guys want to see me do more of just random projects like this. But for now, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you guys like the video. If you don't, you know the drill. Sorry, sucks to be you. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.